We are pleased to show you the 2022 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, security system, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.